何其有幸生于华夏，见证百年。愿山河无恙，祖国繁荣昌盛。此生不悔入华夏，来世还做中国人。我们生在红旗下，长在春风里，人民有信仰，国家有希望，民族有力量。目光所至，皆为华夏，五星闪耀，皆为信仰。我们要感恩祖国，珍惜这美好的一切。How fortunate I was born in China and witnessed the past century. May the mountains, rivers be safe, and the motherland be prosperous. I shall not regret being a Chinese, and I shall be Chinese in the afterlife. With the spirit of communism, we are living in the land of the pleasant. Our people are filled with the faith. Our country is full of strength. Our nation is also full of hope. The 5-star red flag is waving over the way we are heading. We should be grateful for our country and also cherish the beautiful time.